What if a few tools could completely change how you work and create? In this video, you'll discover 20 powerful tools that can boost your productivity and open up new possibilities. Let's get into it. Bevel Cutter. The Foamworks Straight Bevel Cutter is a versatile tool for straight and angled foam board cuts, featuring adjustable blade depth, an ergonomic handle, and compatibility with standard Foamworks blades for precise work. Pistol Light. The Coast PTX Pistol Light features dual flood and spot beams with snap focus, delivering reduced glare, better control, and quick switching between wide and long-range illumination. Vacuum Lifting Device. The Stonemagnet SM600 is a battery-powered vacuum lifter for heavy stone and concrete, featuring a durable build, crane hook attachment, and dual pumps for efficient handling of both sealed and porous materials. Pulsa Insulfast. The Pulsa Insulfast is a fast, cordless insulation fastening tool with low noise and effort, supporting various insulation thicknesses and delivering up to 10,000 shots per charge. Pocket Multifunctional Ruler. A pocket multifunctional ruler is a compact tool for measuring, marking, and guiding cuts, featuring 2 vials for quick level and angle checks. Auto-Feed Heavy-Duty Beveller. The ABM 50DD Vario is an auto-feed plate beveller for thick metal, offering precise, adjustable bevels, variable speed control, cold milling to prevent distortion, and durable multi-edge inserts for efficient operation. ALUMINIST Sturdy. The ALUMINIST Sturdy is a heavy-duty snap blade knife with a wide, durable blade, secure dial lock, rugged aluminum handle, and built-in spare blade storage with a snap-off end cap. MADI Mule Tape Puller. The MADI Mule Tape Puller is a durable, heavy-duty tool designed to securely grip and pull mule tape, improving control, reducing strain, and making cable and wire installation faster and more efficient. Zeroline Portable Edgebander. The Zeroline Portable Edgebander uses Zeroline technology to create seamless, glue-free edges with an invisible, durable, and hygienic finish. It heats up quickly, works on straight or curved panels, and delivers strong, heat and moisture-resistant bonds with precise color matching. Hydraulic Crimping Tool. The NAM 150 is a battery-operated hydraulic crimping tool designed for non-insulated and tubular terminals up to 150 square millimeters, delivering 88 kilonewtons of force for strong, reliable crimps in a compact, portable design. DistanceMaster Compact 30. The DistanceMaster Compact 30 is a compact laser rangefinder with a 30-meter range designed for measuring distances, areas, and volumes. It features continuous measurement mode, dual reference points, and memory for up to 50 readings, all in a user-friendly and sustainable design. Uline Adhesive Transfer Tape Dispenser. The Uline Adhesive Transfer Tape Dispenser is a lightweight, easy-to-use tool that quickly applies tape without a blade, automatically rewinds the liner, and supports multiple roll sizes for efficient use. KNIPEX MultiCrimp. The KNIPEX MultiCrimp is a versatile crimping tool with interchangeable dies for various connectors, featuring precise ratchet control, quick die changes, and built-in storage for efficient electrical and solar work. Telescoping Support Rods. The Bessey telescoping support rods are heavy-duty adjustable supports with a wide extension range, PVC non-slip pads, 45-degree swivel heads, and strong, stable, hands-free support for installation and overhead work. Universal Socket Wrench. A universal socket wrench is a compact tool with 54 spring-loaded steel pins that adapt to different shapes and sizes, allowing it to grip and turn various nuts, bolts, and fasteners for versatile use across automotive, home, and construction tasks. Jigsaws. The Metabo cordless jigsaw is a powerful, efficient tool with a brushless motor, tool-free blade changes, precise cutting, LED lighting, and a durable, ergonomic design for demanding work. Uline Standard Janitor Cart. The Uline Standard Janitor Cart is a mobile cleaning cart with multiple shelves, hooks, and a zippered bag for organized storage. It features a bottom platform for buckets or trash cans and smooth rolling wheels for easy movement. PLS. Compact Faraone Platform. The Faraone PLS Compact is a sturdy, adjustable aluminum work platform with stabilizers and railings for safe, stable use, replacing small scaffolding while remaining compact and easy to transport. Optimus String Trimmer. The Optimus String Trimmer is a lightweight, commercial-grade tool delivering 30 cubic centimeters gas-equivalent power with a 1.3 kilowatt motor. It offers long battery runtime, easy spool winding, and proven durability with extensive field testing. Cordless Cable Cutter. A cordless cable cutter is a portable tool designed for cutting copper and aluminum cables up to 52 millimeters, suitable for both stranded and solid conductors, with an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. That's it for these game-changing tools. Try them out and see what works for you. If you discovered something new, you're already ahead. See you in the next one.